Hey YouTube, it's Casey back here. And the number one question I get from business owners is how do I start and where do I start with AI in my business? So if you run a plumbing, HVAC, roofing, or home service business, you're probably losing money from not implementing AI. In this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 easiest systems to implement inside your business so you can start making money just like your competitors are with AI right now. So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down the top 5 AI automations that fix problems like this. And man, to be honest, these tools are real simple, real easy, and I'll also show you the most powerful one at the end. Get into it. Here are the top 5 AI automations every business needs in 2025. The big 2-5. Let's go. So this is mostly for trades and service-based companies. So plumbers, roofers, cleaners, electricians, HVAC guys, car detailers, doctors, medical spas, really any type of business. I can name like 1,000 different service businesses. Let's just get right into it and we'll see how AI can actually help your business and grow in your business. These are the top 5 AI automations. So the hidden costs of like manual operations. Let's go into it. The problem, most service-based businesses are losing money every single day from various things. You can read there from missed calls to follow up. And everything you do manual is just wasting your time where you can be putting other time into other things that are more beneficial for your business. And the solution, AI helps with this and solves a lot of problems for you. So the first system is an AI lead capture and booking bot. Very, very simple bot. It's called a conversation bot if you talk to people. Pretty much you can put this anywhere, any sort of platform where you get leads inbound. So if someone calls your business, there can be an AI lead capture and booking bot there. Facebook, Instagram, any social media, WhatsApp. It can be integrated into there. Any other online platform, maybe a website widget thing where they fill out their information, but there's so much more. But if you have any questions, just hit me up. I can answer them for you to see if it does fit. But the thing it does good is it never misses a call. It's always instant responses. So speed the lead, getting back to leads fast enough. And pretty much it can auto book jobs right into your calendar or estimates or appointments, whatever you do. So right now, the best tools probably you can use for this is VoiceFlow, Go High Level, Vappy, and ChatGPT. And it's really good for plumbers, HVAC, electricians, roofers, cleaning services, and more. And the real impact, one of the plumbing companies we worked with increased their booking by 42% after hours implementing AI. So let's move on to the second one. Numero dos. I think that's how you say it numero dos. I think that's how you say it in Spanish. But either way, is automated follow-up and quote delivery system. So basically, this pretty much works by giving, let's say, automatic quotes to a customer looking for a rough estimate and always following up with pretty much clients and stuff. So let's say someone comes in and they ask for a quote. Let's say for a roofer, how much you charge per square foot or per square, whatever, right? And then pretty much it takes your price and it searches up the information about the product they want to make sure the exact estimate. And I don't know if you do markups, the AI will obviously know your markup, so it'll give them a rough estimate on how much it will cost to replace the roof. Obviously, it can't get the little technical details, but it'll give a rough estimate. And pretty much, let's say it sends an estimate off to someone and they don't go with it. It's always persistent follow-up. I normally go 8 times because 8 times works, especially on the 6th or 7th, especially on the 6th or 7th thing that people get back. And sometimes you do get extra jobs off that. And pretty much you all can also set up smart reminders that sends reminders, project updates, and appointment confirmations automatically to your customers and clients. And the best tool, in my opinion, to use for this is Go High Level. And you can also use Make, Zapier, and like most AI automation platforms do this. And it's ideal for remodelers, roofers, HVAC contractors, and electricians, plumbers, really any business. It's really good. And same with the other one too. This is really good for remodelers as well. So let's move on to 3, the AI job scheduling and crew manager. So pretty much it has smart scheduling. So it schedules your real-time crew based on availability and location where they're at on the map and stuff. This is for bigger companies. It has intelligent routing, auto routes crews efficiently to like minimize drive time and maximize jobs per day. So it helps you save some money. And it has real-time updates. So it sends instant updates to team members about schedule changes or new jobs. And the best tools for this is Jobber, Go High Level, Vappy, Make, NNA. The best tools for this is Jobber, Go High Level, Vappy, Make, NNN, and there's way more platforms, but those are the main. So this is perfect for HVAC companies, roofing contractors, landscapers, and general contractors. And the best tools are Jobber, Go High Level, Vappy, Make, and NNN. So And bottom line, you do get less time wasted, fewer scheduling mistakes, happy crews, and your business runs smoother. So number four, which is one of the most important, AI review and or number four, which is one of the most important, AI review and one of the most important. Number four, AI review and reputation builder. It pretty much builds your digital reputation on autopilot. Your online reputation directly impacts like how many calls you get, how many people are clicking on your Google profile, and more. This is one of the most important things. If you can set up an automatic AI that replies to these reviews, when you finish the job, automatically sends something out to your client saying, "Can you review our business?" And if it's lower than a 3, it doesn't get posted on Google. If it's higher than a 4 or 5, it gets posted on Google, et cetera, whatever you want. But that's very, very good and one of the most important AI systems you should integrate right away, so you don't have to worry about it. And system number 5 is one of the most important as well. This is like probably the best one out of all of these. It's called an AI lead gen and booking system. So pretty much it combines ads with an AI caller, and it just books estimates and jobs on autopilot. First thing, you run ads, right? And you have, from those ads, you have inbound clients coming in, right? And then an AI caller calls them to see and to book them on an estimate to see if they're actual real clients and they actually want an estimate or appointment booked or whatever niche you're in, right? And then if they don't answer the phone call, they're contacted 8 times again to make sure you're getting the most out of the lead to try and get conversions and high ROI. And the reason why it's so good, if you respond right away, you're 21 more times more possible at landing the job. And if you get back to people fast. And the reason why it's so good is because you're 21 more times. And the reason why it's so powerful is because you're 21 times more to actually land the job instead of someone else who has slow follow-up. And it also does smart qualification, so it qualifies them, make sure they're real people, gathers their whole information so you have for later on and everything. And it pretty much just gets their address, their name, whatever you need to actually do the appointment or book the appointment or do the estimate, whatever. And this is one of my systems. So there really is no tool. So it's Valley AI system, the business I run. I mean, you could make it yourself, but it'll probably take a lot longer time. But this is one of the best ones. So the reason why it's so good is because there's no follow-up with humans, so less time. You don't have to do it. If you ran ads before, it's a pain to follow up with every single one. You have 0 missed leads, and it works 24/7 always. And here's like the real impact it means for your businesses. With all of these AI systems, why it's so important to actually integrate AI into your business. You have predictable revenue streams, so you always have things coming in from the AI systems. You eliminate bottlenecks that you're having, so scalability. If you're not able to scale right now, AI will help you scale and grow. And you'll have a competitive advantage over most of your people in your niche. People are already implementing it in your competitors are already implementing it, but not all of them. So if you get above the curve, you will succeed faster than them because you know how it works, you know what it does for you, and just et cetera and et cetera. So if you're ready to automate your business, you can do it yourself, obviously. But if not, you can book a call with me straight in my bio. I do a free consultation call. All right. And you can go there or in the description below this video. And if you want a free guide, pretty much how to do all this stuff to not even hop on a call, just comment down below AI automation, quick guide for trades, or actually just comment down below quick guide and I'll just send it to you over. But yeah, if you want to get in contact, all the stuff is in the link below. Subscribe and like, and thank you.